Hello, Mr. Swinger One here. I hope everybody's had a Merry Christmas and is gearing up to have a Happy New Year. It is December 30th. It was warm today up in the Northeast. Been running around. I got a lot done. It's probably about 5 o'clock at night. I'm out in the garage trying to play around in the warm weather. But the last video, the mock-up video, I was said I had to dig some parts out of my parts pile. So I found a timing cover there. I found a windage tray. As you can see, these parts are in rough shape. There's a lot of gunk and rust on that windage tray. I think I will evapor rust that, try to save it. I found the 4 main cap bolts. I knew I had them somewhere. This stuff, not that it's not available, but it's hard to find. I think you can get a whole windage tray kit for, they used to be available for like 80 or 90 bucks. I think Mopar Performance discontinued them. Another thing about these, the 318, 340 windage tray, because the 318 and 340 has basically the same main and stroke. The 340 windage tray will fit on the 318. The 360 has a different windage tray and different bolts because it has different main journal sizes. So that's a little bit of information there. We're going to take a walk over to the bench. I'm going to show you. People have been asking me about how to clean stuff up. So here's our main cap. I went over this with a drill and wire brushes. This wire brush is shot. I need a new one, but I had this one and I had this one. And you can get these wire brushes at Harbor Freight, probably at Walmart too. If you're on a budget, you can find this stuff fairly affordable. But this is about 20 minutes of wire wheeling this main cap. And then I use Scotch-Brite. I hand polished in here where the bearing goes. Wire wheeled the outside part. So it goes from this to this fairly quickly. If you want to get crazy, you could soak these in evapor rust. Let them dry, then wire wheel it. I've had luck with that on the block, getting the rust off the block, enough where paint would stick to it. But just a quick update video. We are working on this bottom end. We want to try and get, there's the piston sitting there, and there's the crank. We want to try and get all that off the bench and into the short block this winter. By this winter, I mean by at least March. I'm just playing around. I want to get everything clean. I don't want to put these rusty main caps on that nice crank. Let's take another look at that. Yeah, like I don't want to put rusty caps on a nice crank. Just trying to clean up as much as I can. And what we could do at home with home tools. So like I said, this isn't a cordless. This is a plug-in Black & Decker. I think that came from Walmart. Had it for, I don't know, a few years now. Wire wheels. Scotch-Brite, and yeah, that's it. That's your do it at home stuff. And like I said, the results pretty much night and day right there. Anyway, take care and Happy New Year to all. See you soon. Always be sure to wear your safety glasses, gloves, anything safety, because these wire wheels can fly apart and the bristles will fly in your eyes. I wear prescription glasses, so I sort of always have eye protection on, so to speak, but stuff does fly past prescription glasses. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you how quickly these wire wheel up. You can see it's already starting to not look like a rusty piece. This was the piece I showed next to This is number two, and I showed number one next to number two already cleaned. But I just wanted to show you how quickly this goes. It's literally like, 10 minutes of main cap. If you're really, you can really do it 10 minutes of main cap, but I'll say 15. Got 5 mains, so what? Maybe an hour and 15 to do all 5 of them. The one with the rear main seal, the rear one's going to be the most challenging. There's a lot of surfaces on that.